So my name is Dr. Caroline Robinson. Oof,
Have your moment. I understand.
I'm excited to be here. I'm a board-certified dermatologist. I own a practice on the south side of Chicago called Tone Dermatology. And basically, as a dermatologist, I focus on any of the 3,000 skin conditions that affect
3,000?
3,000.
Okay.
So I treat eczema, acne, and a lot of my patients are women of color.
Okay. Well. Can you explain what dermatology is for skin of color?
Absolutely. So skin of color dermatology is an area that focuses on recognizing conditions that disproportionately affect patients of color. And that could be anything as common as eczema, which looks different on the background of darker skin. And we need to recognize those differences so that we arrive at the correct diagnosis. And unfortunately, dermatology is also one of the least diverse specialties in medicine. So second only to orthopedic surgery. And the latest stat is that 3% of practicing dermatologists are African American and 4% are Latinx. So these numbers have stayed flat for years and we really need them to change.
This is informative for us all, so I'm listening very close. Okay, so why do you think some communities know more about skincare than others?
You know, I think there's a lot of issues that bleed into it, but primarily it's access, and there's barriers to access, right? Like insurance, distance to travel. I mean, how many dermatologists were in our neighborhoods growing up?
Right.
And also there's cultural barriers, right? A lot of us don't understand or recognize that dermatology is for us. I hear that a lot from my patients that, you know, I grew up and I didn't think dermatology was for me. That's kind of like luxury. But if you have skin, you should see a dermatologist.
If you have skin, I love how you said that. Tell us what you're doing with Vaseline.
Yeah, I'm really excited about this. So I was brought on to advise with Vaseline on the development of a database, and this is called See My Skin. So if you do a simple internet search for eczema or acne, you'll find that the pages or images that come up are not anything that look like us.
Right.
So when that happens, you don't feel connected to the condition. You may be led down a path of misinformation or misdiagnosis, and it's very difficult for you to get past that barrier of getting to a dermatologist. Well, what See My Skin has done is linked patients with dermatologists through a dermatologist finder tool and created a database where you can type in any skin concern and find an image of someone who looks like you.
Okay, so what would you say is most important when taking care of your skin?
One of the most important things that you can do now to take care of your skin is sunscreen.
Sunscreen.
Yeah, every single day.
Okay.
Every day. In Chicago, it's really hard because, you know, in the winter months, we tend to not wear sunscreen.
So we should wear it in the winter
We should wear it in the winter. We should wear it year-round.
Really?
Every single day. Just make it a part of your routine. That's my #1 tip. And I think that also incorporating some treatment, or like serums or specific ingredients that help to repair. My top 2 are retinoids and serums that contain antioxidants like vitamin C. Those are going to do a long effort in repairing some of our past sun damage. And then last, I would say that we shouldn't neglect our body care. That's also important. We're getting into some drier months in some parts of the country, colder months in some parts of the country, and you want to make sure that you're using something that's nourishing for your body as well. One of my favorites is the Vaseline Intensive Cocoa Radiant. I don't know if you've tried it, but...
We will try it. Y'all hear that?
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't realize that we needed sunscreen in the winter.
Yeah, I know.
I see, I'm learning too. You see that? Mama Hood is taking notes. Okay, thank you for that, Dr. Robinson. This is amazing. So happy to hear you. So, Dr. Robinson, in honor of being an inclusive beauty advocate and for your work with Skin of Color Society, our friends at Vaseline are giving you all $25,000. So congratulations. Here you go. Thank you so much, Dr. Robinson, for being here and for everything that you do. For more information, go to seemyskin.com. We'll be right back. Don't forget to subscribe to the Jennifer Hudson Show YouTube channel and turn on that notification bell so you're the first to see our latest videos.